about HCF, that is greatest common factor. Today I am going to discuss about LCM. So let's get started. At first, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. At first, we have to know the full form of LCM. So what is the full form of LCM? The full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. So the full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. L for lowest, C for common and M for multiple. Now we have to know what is LCM. The lowest common multiple, that is LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the numbers. Suppose I take two numbers 4 and 8. Now what are the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4 are 4, that is 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16 and so on. And the multiples of 8 are 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, 8 into 4 32 and so on. Now what are the common multiples? See, 8 8. So 8 is a common multiple. Again here 16 and here also 16. So 16 is also a common multiple. Now remember that lowest common multiple means two or more lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the number. Lowest common multiple, that is lowest. So which multiple is lowest among 8 and 16? Obviously 8 is smallest. Obviously 8 is smaller than 16. So LCM will be 8. Now we have to find the LCM by two methods. First method is prime factorization method and second method is division method. So at first we will know prime factorization method. So prime factorization method. Now we will understand prime factorization method by an example, with an example. So let's start. We have to find the LCM of 24, 36 and 40. So at first we have to factorize these three numbers. So separately, so at first 24, we have to factorize 24. 24 is divisible by 2. So 12, 12 is divisible by 2. 6, 6 is divisible by 2. 3 and 3 is divisible by 3. So 1. So we can write 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And here 2 comes 3 times. 3 times. So we have to write 2 cube into 3. Next we have to factorize 36. 36, 18, next 2 9, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So we can write 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is, here 2 comes twice, that is 2 square, and 3 comes twice, 2 times, so 3 square. Next we have to factorize 40. So 20, 10, 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Next, so we can write 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now see, here 2 comes 3 times. So we can write 2 cube into 5. Now see, what are the prime factors of these 3 numbers? See, here 2 and 3 are prime factors. Next 2 and 3, 2, 3. Next 2 and 5. So 2, 3 and 5 are 3 prime factors among these 3 numbers. Now for LCM, we have to see the highest power of common prime factors. See, highest power, and whose power is highest, we will take that. See, in 24, 2 cube into 3, 36, 2 square, and 40, 2 cube. So we have to take 2 cube. Here 2 cube and here 2 cube. So we have to 2 cube once, because cube 3 is greater than 2. So we have to take 2 cube into next prime factor 3. So what is the highest power of prime factor here? See, here 3. 3 means 3 to the power 1. Here 3 square, that is 3 to the power 2. So this is greater than this power. 2 is greater than 1. So we will take 3 square into C. Next prime factor 5. So here 5 is absent. Next 5 is also absent. And then only 1 5. So we will take only 1 5. Now we will calculate this multiplication and then we will found our LCM. We will get our LCM. So here 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 2 8. So 8 into 3 square means 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 into 5. Now 8 9s are 72 into 5. And then 5 2s are 10. 1 5 3s are 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 36. So the LCM will be 360. Now we will understand the second method, division method. We will understand the division method by an example. So LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 27. So we have to find the LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 27. So for this division method, we write these numbers 12, 15, 20, 27. Now we have to divide these 4 numbers. Now for the division method, we divide by a number which divides exactly at least 2 of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. And this process is repeated till no 2 of the given numbers are divisible by a common number. Now at first, see here 12, 15 and 27. 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So at first we divide by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 20 is not divisible by 3. So we carry forward this number, that is 20. Next 27 is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Next see here 4 and 20 is divisible by 4. But 5 and 9 are not divisible by 4. So at least 2 numbers are divisible by 4. So we will divide it by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 5 is not divisible by 4. So we carry forward this 5. And next 4 5s are 20. And 9 is not divisible by 4. So we carry forward 9. Next see here 2 5. So 5 we will divide it by 5. So 5, 1 is not divisible by 5. So carry forward 1. Next 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 9 is not divisible by 5. So we carry forward this 9. Now see, no two of these four numbers are divisible by any common number. So LCM will be 3 into 4 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 1. This is not necessary to write because 1 into 1 into 1 1 and into 9. So we will calculate this multiplication and we will get our answer. So 3 4s are 12 into 5 into 9. 12 5s are 60 into 9 and 6 9s are 54 and 0. So the LCM will be 540. So students, today we have understood LCM by two methods. One is prime factorization method and another is division method. So please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.